Alright, so we're going to flare a line with the old style flaring tool. We have our 1/4 pipe and we have our jig. First we're going to, I already cleaned it up, clean the inside, clean the outside. We're going to set it up on the tool. Put it on and make sure it's on right by the step. So there we go. And now I'm going to tighten this side a little bit. And tighten this side as well. And just to be safe, give another tightening. Alright, so now we're going to need this, our bit that says 1/4. We're going to put that right on top like that. And then we're going to grab our compressing tool. Set it up on the jig. Now this one might not fit, so let me go get another one. Let's try it with this one. Perfect. Let me tighten it down. Stick this inside and start turning it. Now if it works correctly, it should start compressing the pipe, which it looks like it is. So I'm just going to keep going. And almost there. There, I think it is good. Yes. Loosen this back out. Sometimes a bit will get stuck like that. It's okay. If that happens, just gotta pry it off. But it looks good. It's off a little bit to the side, as you can see here, but let's continue. The steps are what matters. Alright, so now I remove the bit. Tightened it up, not too much. Loosened it. And I believe it came out good. Let's remove it from the vise. Yeah, it's a little bit off to the side, but it looks good. That's what you want to see when you flare a line, or double flare a line. Cool. So this is using the older double flare tool, and this is using the newer one.